Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by today and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alyssa and today I wanted to share yet another stacked or layered envelope journal. I hope you guys are not sick of these, but they're just so much fun to make, and I did do this one a little differently than some of the previous envelope journals that I've done. So let's go ahead and get started. For this journal here, I did use the Sweet Melody paper pad here by Park Lane. And this is from Joann's. I've had this in my stash for a while. And I did create this with junk mail envelopes. So you can see I kept some of the windows here. I have a pocket here that says, "Oh, happy day," with a little flower. This is a little side pocket here. So I just made this ticket that says, "You're so lovely." And of course, it's also just a regular pocket. So I just have this journaling card here with a sticker on the side. And the back says, "Dream big." And then we have the side pocket here from the envelope. And I love how this little bird is just poking through the window there. So I didn't really do anything to this insert because I thought it would be a good photo mat. But I did put this "Good Things" label here down below. And anyway, I really liked the bird poking through the window, so I'm not sure if I'll even cover that up, but I thought he was cute. So that's my cover. We'll flip this open. I just have some coffee dyed paper over here, and I added some scrap strips at the top and the bottom just for decoration. And I have this Shine Bright little card. You can open it up here and journal. And this cute little house is also a tuck spot. So I have this journaling card, and I added a sticker at the top there as well. And then here's my side pocket. Not really much to see through that window, but this is just a little scrap sheet from the Dollar Tree. And I glued it down to this other scrap sheet so you could journal on here or add some small photos. And moving right along. So the different thing that I did with this one is I added a few extra pages, as you can see here. And you could probably add a lot more, but I just did 2. So these are just like extra little pages, not the junk mail envelopes. So there's a little bit more room for journaling in here, depending on how many pages you add, of course. But I did add this little sheet here, my 2 extra pages. And then over here, I have a side pocket made from vellum. And I added this butterfly sticker at the top. So just a few different journaling cards and papers to use. And then over here, I have another one of these little cards that you could flip up and write on the inside. This says, "Plan a happy life." This here says, "Let your dreams take flight." And you could flip that as well, but it's just a little card. And this part flips out, so you have all the space to journal. And I added this sticker here to the corner as well. And over here, you have a little spot to journal. Here's my other little window. I added these cute little birds down below. These are from a Joann's ephemera pack. A lot of the pieces I used, like this and this, are from a Joann's ephemera pack. But this is just the nice big photo mat that I have in that side pocket. And you could write a little caption down below here. And over here, I just washi taped this little sheet here for writing. I have a small little pocket here with some more little cards, a tag. This can be flipped open as well. And here are 2 extra inserts or sheets that I put in here. So that's just some coffee dyed paper, and I added this sticker here. So you could write all on there. There's this paper. And then this is the last page here. So in this spot, I thought maybe you could put a smaller photo or you could just journal. And I added this cute little bird as well. It's also a tuck spot. So I made this little journaling card that says, "Life is a collection of moments." And then down here, I have a tag with a cute little flower sticker. You can also flip that open and journal on the inside there. And then we have just our last little side pocket. So I have this big journaling card. You can write all on here and all on the back too. I have this, it says "Forever Chasing the Sun." Again, you can open that up. And then I have "Hold on tight to your dreams" down at the bottom here with some more flowers. And of course you can see I made my own little tab here with my scraps. So it's just a super cute, bigger journaling card. And that's everything for this stacked envelope junk journal. And there's the back. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this flip through. I really like how this one came out. I love this paper pad. If you do want to see my process on how I create a journal like this, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Because again, I don't know if you guys are tired of me doing these types of journals. I've done a few of them before. So just let me know. I'd be happy to do it. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration. And leave me a comment down below. I would love to chat with you. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!